77,000 miles, 2011 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Inaugurational edition. Only 1100 made. It's a beautiful two-tone white and blue interior. So let's take a look around. It's a 6-speed manual. That's exactly what everybody wants. Amazing color combination. Extra clean. Very special car. So any questions, check the website dynamicmotorsflorida.com for more pictures and details. And if you want to do financing or help with shipping, we ship worldwide and nationwide. And you can always visit us at 12199 Seminole Boulevard in Largo, Florida. We're around Tampa Bay. Thanks again and have a good day.